as you guys can see, so it is snowing, almost like Christmas, but it's late as hell. The first day of February right now, and we got all this snow, bro. Like, you're like 2 months late in this thing. What's happening here, bro? Today, we're gonna be installing a cool ass part on my car. It's not just a generic little part, and you guys can be able to see what I'm putting on. So, yeah. Any of you guys know what Fly One Motorsports is? Y'all are missing out. I'm not a sponsor or anything, but definitely check out their Definitely check out their website and make sure y'all look at what they got, because you're about to find out what's one of those things that they have. And we're installing it right now in the snow. It's cold out here right now, but this thing finna be icy. All right, real quick, before I get into the video, I kind of want to do a burnout on my dad's truck, or at least attempt a burnout. I'm gonna do a little bit more unboxing on this thing, take this thing out and show you what I actually got. So, whoa! Free shirts and stickers! Alright, now we can do some little bit more unboxing. Even though I said that like 10 times, but you're still gonna get more unboxing. So, I should probably get my knife. Dude! Let's go! This is super clean. Just making sure everything lines up on this hood and just swapping everything over. I'm only gonna be running one strut on this one because these are some strong struts that I bought. This is a carbon fiber hood and this is a fiberglass hood. This was a lot heavier to move around. With the carbon fiber, it's gonna be super light. I don't want anything to break with this being too strong and having a lot of force against the hood when trying to close and open and stuff like that. So by that being said, I'm gonna just use one strut for now and see how it goes. And yeah, just swap everything over onto this hood. All right, let me show you guys on this. So you basically take off this clip and then you're able to take off this plastic part just like that. And then this you can twist off. And as you can see on the other one, where you'll twist it on there and again. All right guys, so we already ran into a problem. This is not big enough to fit onto this hole. So we're gonna have to make this one bigger. And as you can see on the other side over here on the original hood, you can tell the difference from that hole right there and this one. Have to drill a little bit more out and make this into a square. And so yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. We're gonna use that as a reference point to see how much we need to drill into this carbon fiber hood. So we don't want to go too deep and shit and make it too big, so that's gonna be our reference. There it is. Let's go, baby. That's how you do it. You just got to be very persistent on where you cut, and then try to measure what we did. Basically, use a finger gap. And then look at this real quick. See this on here in the bottom? How it's like a square cut? You definitely want to use something where the same drill is kind of cut down and then cut to the side and cut up, and like try to make that square shaped cut, and then you should be good. You should be able to fit that grommet on there. Now we're gonna take out the struts from the hood, but before that, we're gonna have something to hold it, of course, because You don't want to be working underneath there and then it's clack, break your neck and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this center of this. Okay, you know what? That's not gonna work. All right, there's one. I'm gonna have the camera holder hold this pole and recording at the same time. Hopefully this comes out in the footage right. So, all right, there it is. Cool. Now we basically got to take off this latch from here. I believe it's a 12 millimeter. So now we're gonna basically transfer this onto the other one. Remember guys, first thing you want to do is start everything by hand. You don't want to use any power tools for this one. You might be able to damage the carbon fiber. I'm not sure. I'm just not going to use any power tools for this one. You want it as tight as you can go with the ratchet and leave it as is. You might hear a little small crack. I heard a little small crack and that's where you want to stop. So yeah, that's basically it from right there. Hopefully we didn't break anything. We'll find out though. Now the next thing we want to transfer over is a hood strut. Nuts that go on it. Just like that. It's 12 millimeter. Now we can put it on the other one. Again, by hand. Just like that. Now we're going to drill it. When I told you, I told you that I was going to use a drill. I know myself though. If I drill it, it's gonna go right through the hood, and there you go. This right here. See, you heard that crack? That's where you want to stop. You heard that? That's a crack. All right, so now for the last part, basic step is removing the nuts. Make sure it's the nuts. Removing the nuts for the hood. So this thing's about to come off right now. All right guys, so we laid a blanket over my roofs so that way we can just hold onto the hood, pick it up and lay it over the roof. So now let's go ahead and start removing the nuts, which is right here. They're 12s, 1 and 2, and then the other side too. So yeah. One more thing I forgot to mention is this part right here. Windshield washer line. You're basically gonna have to remove that. All right guys, there it is. Got the hood completely off. And this thing is gonna look sick when it's done. On the hood itself, you can see it's obviously a stud hanging out with the nut going on it. So in this case, we're gonna have to put it reversed. We're gonna have to put this onto there, line it up really well, and then bolt it down. And just so you guys can see, this is the one that it came with, which is probably not advised to use, but this is the one that we're using. So basically, it takes off this spacer right here, and it makes it almost the same height as the threads. That's what you want. You don't want this spacer right here because that will not fit your hood. So make sure you find a bolt equivalent to this size, and the thread pitch, of course. I can't really tell you the thread pitch to be exact, but you'll find out as you go. I didn't want to show you guys yet, but we basically closed the hood, not all the way, but just to see how the fitment looked like, and it looked like we need to do a little bit of adjustment. So just know, when you're getting carbon fiber pieces, not everything's gonna be perfect. So you'll have to do a little bit of adjustment. We're gonna shift this hood a little bit to the left or to your right, well, right of the vehicle, and see what happens. All right guys, we finally got everything bolted in how it should be. Remember those bolts I was showing you? That definitely helped out a lot. Now, if you had a little bit of fitment issues, again, just try readjusting it and it'll come out a lot better. We all got it in perfect, so now we're gonna go ahead and take the cover off and unveil this thing. Alright guys, so that's it. It's finally in. It looks freaking awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But to me, I'm speechless, no words. Like, this is absolutely amazing. The best financial mistake I've ever done. So, besides the bags, of course, and stuff like that. But dude, this car is coming along for sure. I do appreciate you guys tagging along this way and all the supporters in my real life, my real friends. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.